Hi there, today going to learn about how to create a professional company profile in Canva. So here I am in my Canva dashboard and we'll just go to templates and we can just search for professional company profile. So you can filter this according to the categories. For example, you want a website. You have the different options right here and then you can just choose one that you want. For example, I want this one. So be careful of the other designs since they have a pro icon at the bottom. So you can use them if you have Canva Pros, but since we're just using the free account, so we'll just use the free features right here. So for example, I'll just use this one and then we can just customize this template. And then we have our website right here. So if you just want to use the website as is, you don't have to change anything, but you can just change your own company details. For example, you can just put here your company and then you can insert a logo if you want. You can choose to upload it, so upload files and then just choose your logo and then it will be uploaded right here. Just drag and drop this into the website, delete the template logo, and then you can just move this around into your website. So what you can do is also you can add some shapes, for example like this one, and then from the layer you can send it to back like that, so it looks better to your website. Maybe you can change it into white if you want, so that's okay. So it really depends on your preference. I'll just use this one. So again, just edit some of the details right here. For example, for the management, you can input your people here. And then for the history, talk about your company's history. And then for this one, a quick message from the president, insert your president and then their actual quick message. And then just play around with the different features that Canva has. And since you already have the template, you just need to input the specific details of your company to design it to your preference. And if you're done, just click on preview and then there you have your own professional company profile. And that is it for this video. And I hope you learn how to create a professional company profile, and thank you for watching.